What's up, guys? This is my 80 Toyota pickup. Two-wheel drive long bed with a camper. It's an SR5 truck, so it's a 5-speed manual. Original interior. It's a one-owner truck prior to me. 89,000 original miles. And it is an SR5. Original booklets. All that stuff. Headliner. Runs well. Drives well. Just a beater. For like a little beater mini pickup. It's got a chrome front bumper. Smashed. It's really not too bad. If you're looking for a little beater truck. 22R 4-cylinder. SR5. Pop the hood. Pretty clean in here, honestly. A little dirty, actually, but yeah, $4 grand. Come get it.